What's going on, guys? We got us a project to go look at, so let's get the GMC fired up and hooked up to the trailer. We're gonna need the winch for this one. Alright guys, I'm really excited about this. This should be a fun project for the channel. It actually will be something probably none of you will guess, and it's going to be something completely different than what we're used to working with. So let's get there and check this thing out. Look at that view. That is really, really cool. Water down in that valley. How you doing?
That diesel?
No, it's gas. It's just got a turbo on.
I was just wondering, you got that stovepipe on there for an exhaust pipe.
Yeah. Mind your way?
No, that's why we had you pull in there.
Okay. Okay, that's all right, as long as you're... You're good there. All right guys, we got it all loaded up. There it is, the new project for the channel. Project, toy, whatever you want to call it. It is a Ford, it is a Bronco. Our next challenge is going to be getting out of this driveway, which is pretty tight. We're going to try and make the turn going up and around. Let's fire the GMC up and see if we can make it. Alright guys, we made it this far in the driveway. It's kind of scary. Here's the last little bit getting out of here. This thing back in and check it out a little bit more. There's another project. Square body. Starting to get dark, boys, but we are home. We got this beast home. Do a quick walk around here. She looks good. A little bit of body damage already, but I'm sure it's gonna see more than that. Oh yeah, stick shift too, 5-speed. Smells real good in there. It does have a roll bar, not very pretty, but it's there. Let's get this thing unhooked. All right guys, I was done filming for the night, but we have a new vehicle with a light bar on it. So it's dark out now. We got to see how bright this thing is. Light bar on in 1, 2, 3. That is stupidly bright. Look at that. Yeah, this is going to be fun for sure.